We had a delivery today. We had a huge UPS semi-truck drop off a whole bunch of steel. It's all body parts for the other two Broncos. Actually, when I placed this order, it was to restore the other two. Then we bought this one. I decided to start this one. But a lot of the parts that I ordered for those, I can put on this one. There's a few I found out that we'll see in another video that I'll need to order. The rust was a little bit more extensive than I was hoping. But the great thing is that you open the magazine, parts are available. So what I want to do is unbox some of this stuff and see what kind of quality we got. I tend to order Dynacorn, but I found out in the past the name means nothing. You can argue with me all you want. I've talked to the factory. There's two companies, anyways, from Mustangs that build steel. And I'm kind of thinking it's going to be pretty close to the same for these, but they'll just put it in a different box. It just depends on at the time who had it and who put it in the box. So anyways, we'll take a look and see what we got. First, Oval Industries. Something I've read on Broncos, that if you buy Fenders, don't buy Fenders with the holes already punched in them, because they say whoever built that Fender, it was a very inferior product. So I tried to make sure when I ordered these, they didn't have the holes for the Bronco emblems already punched in it. That looks good. All right, I just talked about the different qualities and ordering from different people. So check this out. Same company, CJ Pony Parts. I ordered two right-hand Fenders. All right. So this one comes in boxed. No plastic. This one's got these little protective pieces of rubber inside it. It looks okay, but I just want to compare the two. See if there's any noticeable differences. You can see two totally different sheens on the primer. But the first one I unpacked looks to be much better. I don't know if you can see the quality of these edges, which are hidden when it's put together, but then you have the quality of this edge here is not near as good. So that's what I'm talking about, guys. You know, you never know when you order this stuff who it's coming from. This is another Oval Industries. This is the left-hand Fender. Like the one that came in the same box, this one comes protected and bubble wrap. The front edge looks so much better on these. It's flat, it's not all puckered up like the others. Like I said, all that can be dollied out. It's just the quality of putting it together. Great, we have two matching pairs. So those two will go on a Bronco, and this one will be a replacement maybe for this 66. Ordered door shells. The 66 back there has been turned on its side, and the passenger door got beat up pretty good. I mean, it feels like a little bit of surface rust up underneath their primer. That sucks. That's why we buy this stuff. It looks good. This is supposedly Dynacorn. The shell looks good. So we have the other door, right hand. What it looks like. As a word of caution, if you ever order a bunch of steel and then bring it in on a truck, I could look at these boxes and tell they look pretty good, but The hood, I took the hood out of the box. I'm going to tell you, cat's out of the bag there. It looks fine, but I have received shipments before that were severely damaged. They were hit with a fork truck or whatever. And if you accept them, sign that slip, it's yours. So while the truck driver's there, make sure you check it. And be nice to the truck driver, because it's usually not him doing it. He doesn't load the truck, he's just delivering. So just remember, be courteous, but let him know, they'll make it right. Yeah, I just can't stand all these spot welds. I understand they're necessary. It looks good. Joni pointed out that she wanted me to mention how well it was packaged from CJ, and honestly, that's the best packaging I've seen them do for me since I've been ordering from them. And I have ordered a lot of stuff, and the pallet was wrapped tight, all the pieces were in there very tight, shrink wrapped, banded. It really looked good, so I handed it to CJ Pony for really packing it like it should have been. And so far, it looks like everything survived. So, anyways. The suspense. Yeah, this looks nice. I just want to show y'all real quick. Of course, curiosity got the best of me, so I just want to stick it down on the door. And it fit very well. That little support piece lays in there nice. Anyways, the frame fits well. Windshield frame. Again, this is for the 66 that was turned on its side. That looks really good. It's straight. Well, we got a tailgate. I opted for the Ford tooling tailgate, hoping that it's a better piece. Yeah, not what you'd expect. That's just some of the stuff that's going to have to be cleaned up, and all these little spots. Every bit of that, you know, it has to be sanded and all the body work done to it. So it's nice and strong, it looks straight. Much better than the one we got. That's just janky right there, though. That'll fix it. This is the first part I'm a little bit disappointed in. Alright, quarter skin. Again, I got 3 of these. Looks good, I guess. Supposed to be in a weld-through primer. Alright, here's the hood. I'm not sure of the manufacturer on it. I don't think the box has a name. Nah. Anyways, it looks good. There's couple little small divots right in the middle. I don't really know what they're from. I don't know if she can get that in the light, but overall, I can't see any waves in it. Got some good supports. It looks good underneath. Much better than the one that was on it, I can tell you that. Anyways, I like it. $360. Anyways, like the hood. On this part, I opted to order the complete floor. So, here it is. Complete floor, minus where your firewall comes down and meets it at the front edge. But, it looks good. Seat holes are in it already. The seat supports. It's a little wavy back here in this back corner, but part of it. If you look at it from underneath, our emergency brake brackets in there already. You know, all the supports are in. These are usually rotted. You know, cables, cable mounts in there. More emergency brake stuff. So this is a really nice piece. I'm glad I opted for it. This is what I do for fun. People hunt and fish. I like to restore cars. I'm an engineer during the week, and but I love to work on cars on the weekend. I'm fortunate. I work 4 days a week, so I have Friday, Saturday, and half a Sunday to come out here and play a lot of times if the girls allow me. So that's when you have to look at where's your time best spent. Replacing a bunch of stuff or being able to order it and having most of it done already. So we'll see how this works.